Hello, my dear students. Welcome you all. In previous two lecture, we have learned about sense organs. Okay. Now today the last sense organ is skin. Skin means everybody have skin. We all human beings have skin. Without skin, there is no any living organism. Okay. So with this skin, we are having skin on our hands, our mouth, all the body parts having skin, means upper part of our body is our skin. So our skin protects us from many things. Okay, means any condition, more sunlight, rain, everything, our internal body parts are protected by our skin. And after that, skin also helps us to sense many things in the world. If our eyes are closed, आंखें बंद है और मैंने यहाँ पर इसको टच किया, तो आंखें तो बंद है, हाथ देख नहीं सकते, लेकिन हाथों ने इसको फील किया. आवर स्किन कैन फील, हमारे स्किन फील कर सकती है कि ये पेन है. आप बिना किसी चीज को देखे जैसे हाथ लगाएंगे, बताओ. मीन्स आवर स्किन कैन फील all type of things, like our skin help us to feel hot, cold, soft, hard, rough. Which thing is hot, which is cold, soft, hard. Okay, if I am pressing this table, this wall, this is hard. But if I am pressing something spongy, I feel, oh, this is soft. Okay, rough, this is smooth surface. Okay, this is rough surface, and many more. In this way, our skin having so many functions. If you just put your hands on a hottest metal at home, or when your mother in kitchen having a pan on the gas के ऊपर कोई बर्तन रखा हुआ है, गर्म हो रहा है. So if you touch that pan, what happens? आप उधर देखते देखते बात करते करते ऐसे हाथ उस गर्म तवे पर रखते हैं, क्या होगा? हाथ रखा रहेगा? क्यों, आप उधर देख रहे हैं ना? नो, इट डजंट हैपन, बिकॉज एज वी पुट आवर हैंड, आवर स्किन मैसेज ओवर क्विकली विद इन लेस देन 1 सेकेंड. 1 सेकंड से भी कम समय में उस गर्म तवे से हमारा स्किन जो है ये हाथ की, ये मैसेज भेजेगी दिमाग में कि बहुत गर्म लग रहा है, फील सो हॉट. So our message conclude, our brain conclude that it is harmful for our hand. Our hand can be burned, our skin can be burned. So our brain replies that just back your hand, and we just back our hand. Means जैसे ही हमारी स्किन फील करती है, उससे हमारा ब्रेन रिप्लाई करता है. मीन्स our skin feels this type of many things. Okay, feel hot, cold, soft, hard, rough, smooth, and many more. Many more means there are so many things. Okay, if you are just searching any face, okay, by closing your eyes, if you are daily meeting with your family members, so if your eyes are closed, you just put your hands on the body or face, then you can understand easily that it is your mother, father, brother, sister, because our skin have a sense. We can sense all the things. So our skin makes sense, and it will, our all type of skin have sense, and it will send message to the nerve cells inside the skin. And these nerves have a nervous system. This nervous system connected, means if we are having a pin, okay, this pin, and I am pinching this pin into the palm of this boy. इस लड़के के हाथ में मैं इस पिन को चुभो रहा हूँ. Okay, so if I am pinching this pin at the palm of the boy, what happens? The skin of the boy's palm means हथेली की जो स्किन है, ये जैसे आप पिन लगाएंगे यहाँ पर, तो यहाँ से मैसेज जाएगा. यहाँ से मैसेज कहाँ जाएगा? इसके ब्रेन में. क्या जाएगा? message received by the brain with the nerve cells. and brain conclude that it is pointed object, it will harm the palm. ये बहुत ही तीखा नुकीला ऑब्जेक्ट है और ये हमारी हथेली को नुकसान पहुंचाएगा। तो यहां से मैसेज आता है कि तुरंत हाथ को हटा लो। सो आफ्टर दैट ब्रेन will send message, so quick spontaneous reaction will happen here and our hands can be। अगर आपने कहीं ऐसे गलती से हाथ रख रखा है और आपका ध्यान उधर है, आपका दोस्त आके इधर से कोई पिन चुभा देता है, आप क्या करते, ऐसे करते हैं, मीन्स हमारी स्किन बहुत जल्दी फेल करती। गर्म चीज पे हाथ रखते हैं, बर्फ हाथ में रखते हैं, ठंडा लगता है। सो इन दिस वे ऑल टाइप ऑफ फीलिंग ऑफ द आउटसाइडर वर्ल्ड in we can say physical feeling we can get by this skin. This is important sense organ. All sense organs are very much important. Without a sense organ there must be so many problems. Okay, there may be so many problems because eyes are wonderful object. Mother nature gives us 5 sense organs so we can connect with the whole world. Without sense organ we cannot connect with. If I don't have skin, means if my skin is not in good condition, then I cannot feel all the things. It is harder or softer, then so many things I can't feel. So our skin, ears, nose, tongue, all 5 sense organs are very much important. So we must care of the skin. First, take bath every day. रोज नहाना चाहिए. Take bath every day with fresh water and soap. Okay, we must use soap and fresh water so our dirt can be washed from the body. Always wear clean clothes. Our body, we daily wearing some clothes, but our cloth must be clean. Okay, neat and clean, so there may not be any type of allergy or bacteria can be harm our skin. Any scratch or cut on the skin should be treated with an antiseptic. When our body or our skin get cut or scratched from some, if we are going running, playing something, fall down on the ground, ऐसी स्थिति में अगर बॉडी पे कोई कट पार्ट हो जाता है, स्क्रैच हो जाता है, we must use antiseptic lotion so our skin cannot be infected or bacteria cannot be increased on the skin. So we must care of the skin. In this way our 5 sense organ is completed. Note it down. You must go through your books. My dear students, you all have your books. You must go through line by line these books. After that, finishing this chapter, we will complete our question answers. Okay. Now, in sense organ, by completing 5 sense organ, we are going to see special children. There are some special children whose one or more sense organ doesn't work. ऐसे बहुत सारे बच्चे होते हैं जिनके एक या एक से ज्यादा सेंस ऑर्गन काम नहीं कर सकते. मीन्स वी हैव 5 सेंस ऑर्गन्स. वन इज ईयर, नोज, आईज, टंग एंड स्किन. सो देयर आर सम चिल्ड्रन which don't have a sense organ having work properly. Means one or more sense organ is not work properly. Their ear is not work properly, means they may be deaf. Okay, dumb and blind. Means if their tongue is not working properly, they cannot speak. If their eyes are not working, they may be blind. Okay, so deaf and dumb and blind. In this way, some special children whose one or more senses may be damaged, maybe naturally or maybe with any accident or whatever. So this type of special children having an deficiency of deaf, dumb and blind maybe. So we should be friendly with them. We must care of them. ऐसे बच्चे जिनका एक आध सेंस ऑर्गन खराब है, अब उनको इस दुनिया में थोड़ी सी दिक्कत जरूर आती है. सो वी शुड बी फ्रेंडली विद देम. हमें उनके साथ अच्छी दोस्ती बढ़ाकर रहना चाहिए. वी शुड टेक केयर ऑफ देम. हमें उनकी अच्छे से केयर करनी चाहिए. एंड वी मस्ट बी फुल कंसर्न विद देम. We must be care of them so they can be happy with these all the things. We must love them, we must concern them, and by friendly nature they can be live happily on this earth. So they cannot think so many times that our sense organ is not work properly. They cannot be depressed. Okay, so we must love them, we should be friendly with them. Now for blind, deaf, dumb, there are some artificial things are going to happen, so they can help them. अब ऐसी चीजें का आविष्कार हो चुका है जो ऐसे स्पेशल विशिष्ट बच्चों के लिए काम में आते हैं, जैसे ब्लाइंड बच्चे जिनको आंखों से दिखता है. दैट टाइप ऑफ ब्लाइंड चिल्ड्रन, देयर इज अ ब्रेल स्क्रिप्ट, वी कैन से लुइस ब्रेल डिस्कवर्ड दिस ब्रेल स्क्रिप्ट. इस ब्रेल स्क्रिप्ट के थ्रू जिन बच्चों को दिखाई नहीं देता वो पढ़ते हैं. ओके, हेलेन केलर एक ऑथर है. हेलेन केलर बहुत फेमस ऑथर. वो उनकी दोनों डिफिशियंसी थी. क्या क्या डिफिशियंसी उनकी? शी बिकम अ फेमस ऑथर. ब्लाइंड भी थी और डिफ भी थी, मतलब ना तो सुनाई देता था ना दिखाई देता, तो उसके बाद भी वो फेमस ऑथर बनी इसी प्रेरणा पे. हेलेन केलर. कौन, क्या नाम है? हेलेन केलर. So nowadays science will help them, so braille script will help for blind. Now for deaf, there is a hearing aid in market. There are so many hearing aid, so we can put them in the ear, so a small volume can be here easily if their ears are not working properly. Okay, for dumb, there is some computer software also coming in the market nowadays. So slowly science producing some gadgets for that type of children. Okay, so we must have friendly nature with all these children. So after special children, we must care for the children with special needs. Okay, the special children, or we can say there are so many children in our neighborhood who cannot hear properly, speak properly, and even see properly. Means there some of the organs or some of the sense organs are not working properly, or their hands or legs or some body parts also not work properly. That type of children are physically challenged. We call them physically challenged and differently abled. Okay, ऐसे विकलांग की श्रेणी में आते हैं. So we can help them. So that type of children are especially challenged, so we must help them. We can help them by being friend with them. हमें उनके साथ अच्छा दोस्त जैसा व्यवहार रखना चाहिए. Being kind and helping them in their work, और उन पे अच्छे से काइंडनेस के साथ उनके वर्क में उनका सहयोग करना चाहिए. नॉट मेकिंग फन ऑफ देम, उनका मजाक नहीं उड़ाना चाहिए. स्पेंडिंग टाइम विद देम, उनके साथ कुछ समय बैठ के बातचीत करना चाहिए, उनके साथ समय गुजारना चाहिए. ओके, सो दे कैन फील हैप्पी, दे कैन एंजॉय अवर कंपनी. ओके, सो दैट स्पेशली चैलेंज चिल्ड्रन और डिफरेंटली एबल्ड चिल्ड्रन कैन फील हैप्पी विद स्पेशल केयर. ओके, वी ऑल हैव ह्यूमैनिटी, हमें मानवता के साथ उनके साथ अच्छा व्यवहार करना चाहिए. बहुत सारी जगह देखा गया उनका मजाक उड़ाया जाता है, ऐसा नहीं करना. नाउ एज देर आर स्पेशली चैलेंज्ड और डिफरेंटली एबल्ड चिल्ड्रंस आर देयर, एज यूजुअल वी हैव ऑल्सो केयर फॉर द एल्डर्स, और वी कैन से वी ऑल हैव ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स. ओके, सो वी ऑल हैव ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स एट आवर होम, सो we do not ignore them. We can show that we care for them, because grandparents at very much old age, they are as like at children. Okay, so we must care of them, we must feel them happy, we must spending time with them, so our grandparents feel happy. Our grandparents celebrating, we must celebrate their birthday. Okay, we can help them by just crossing the road. Okay, so in this way we must respect them, so our grandparents or elderly persons, we can care for them and they can also feel happy. So children and elderly people must be feel happy by our concern and our love. Okay, so in this way our chapter is completed. Now in next video I will give you the exercise for this chapter. Okay, so you must read it carefully. Bye.